Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here. So for today's painting, I'm going to go with the similar color scheme that I've been doing lately, which is here from Folk Art, some color shift, some purple flash. I've got some metallic purple here from Artist Loft. My white is also from Artist Loft. From Liquitex, some dioxazine purple. And my last color is iridescent green blue from Pebeo. This one, I've switched it from my folk art, which I had no more of. It dries a little bit more on the blue side than on the aqua side, but still really beautiful, metallic, and bright. So everything has water, Floetrol. All of these have silicone, and my white does not. And today I will be doing a dip technique, which I believe is going to be my second time trying. It's not something I've tried many of, so I'm hoping for something bright and some nice movement. So here goes. So I really love how the colors and the details turned out in this painting. Although if I were to do it again, I would either cover the canvas a lot more or go for a lot more negative space. I also really love the difference in the sun when you move the painting. It's really stunning. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye!